What's the meaning of cocoa? Cocoa. Cocoa.
Cocoa. Cocoa. Cocoa is a term that refers to the powder made from roasted cocoa beans. It is commonly used as an ingredient in chocolate, baked goods, and beverages. The process of making cocoa involves harvesting, fermenting, drying, roasting, and grinding the beans into a fine powder. Cocoa is rich in flavonols, which have been associated with several health benefits, including improved heart health and cognitive function. Additionally, cocoa contains several minerals, such as magnesium and zinc, and is a natural source of caffeine. Overall, cocoa is a versatile and nutritious ingredient enjoyed by many.